From Sentient Robotics. The Hive Final Mile is a project where robotics and software intelligence are going to automate supply chain logistics. We're using UAVs to deliver supplies. Final mile can be anywhere between 1 mile and 150 miles, but basically it's the final link in the supply chain. The drones we're using in the Final Mile project are pre-programmed with flight paths from an air traffic control software module. So they're autonomous in the sense that the computer's flying all the vehicles, but you can think of it as a central director that's telling them which way to fly and how to avoid each other. The end goal of today is to test the system, see how many launches we can have, how many requests we can fulfill, and stress the system to its limits just to see what it's capable of.